Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all you are keeping fine. I am Sukul Hamram. This video clip is part 1 of Computer Standard 1. Dear students, kindly open your book page number 62. Today we shall learn chapter 10, that is using Notepad. In this chapter, we will learn about how to start Notepad, typing in Notepad, closing Notepad. Let us read the lesson and learn from it. Using Notepad. Notepad is a program to practice typing and writing notes. Starting Notepad. Let us learn how to start Notepad. Step 1. Click on the Start button. The Start menu appears. Step 2. On the left pane, click All Programs. Step 3. Click on Accessories. Step 4. Click on Notepad. The Notepad window appears. Dear students, Notepad. How it is used? Notepad is a computer program and it is used to type and writing notes. And to write and typing in the Notepad, we have to open Notepad. Then how it should be open or start? To start Notepad, we have to follow 4 steps, and these 4 steps are step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. In step 1, we click on the start button, and start button is present bottom left corner on the desktop, and the start menu appears. Then in step 2, from the start menu, we click on all programs from the left pane, and in step 3, click on accessories. Then step 4, click on Notepad. Then Notepad window will be opened or appears. Parts of the Notepad window. When you start Notepad, the following screen appears. Look at these parts. Title bar. It shows the name of the text file. Menu bar. It shows menus such as File, Edit, Format, View and Help. Close button. It is used to close Notepad. Text area. It is a blank white space where what we type appears. Dear students, parts of the Notepad window. What are the parts of Notepad window? There are 4 parts. One is title bar, next menu bar, close button and text area. Title bar shows the name of the text file. And menu bar, it shows different menus such as file, edit, format, view and help. Then close button, it is used to close the Notepad window. Then text area, it is a blank white space where we can type or whatever we type, it appears in that space. This text area is like drawing area. There we can type or write the text. Typing in Notepad. Notepad is mainly used to type letters, words and sentences. On opening Notepad, you will see a blinking line called cursor. This shows the point from where your typing will start. If you want to go to the next line, press the enter key. Dear students, typing in Notepad. How to type in Notepad? To type in Notepad, we use keyboard, and by pressing the keys of the keyboard, the letters will appear in the typing or blank area, and we can type letters, words and sentences. And on opening Notepad, we will see a blinking line, a small blinking line, and that blinking line is called cursor. This cursor shows the point from where we start the typing, and if we want to go to the next line, then we should press enter key on the keyboard, and the cursor will move to next line, and we can type another line. Page number 64. Saving a file. After you have finished typing, you need to save your work so that you can view it later. To save a file, follow these steps. Step 1. On the menu bar, click the File menu. A list of options appears. Step 2. Click the Save As option. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 3. In the file name box, type the name of the file. Step 4. Click the Save button. The name of the file appears on the title bar. Dear students, saving a file. How to save a file or our work? When you finished your typing in blank space, you need to save your work or your file so that you can view it afterwards. And to save a file or work, we have to follow 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. In step 1, we click on File menu on the menu bar, and a list of options appears. And in step 2, from the list of options, click on Save As option, and Save As dialog box appears. Then step 3, in this step we type the file name according to our choice in the file name box. Then step 4, in step 4 click on Save button, then the name of the file appears on the title bar. Closing the file. After finishing the work, we can close the file. We should always close the file after finishing our work. Closing Notepad. Step 1. On the menu bar, left click the file menu. A list of options appears. Step 2. Click the exit option. The Notepad window closes. Dear students, always we should close the file after finishing the work. And after finishing the work, we can close the file. Then after closing the file, we should close the Notepad window. And to close the Notepad window, we should follow 2 steps. Step 1, on the menu bar, left click on the file menu, and a list of options appears. Then step 2, from the list of options, click on exit option, and the Notepad window will be closed.